Are you a student looking to break into the tech world? Well, this video is for you. I'm Irina with Tractian, and I am building our internship program across Atlanta and beyond. We build our internship program because we believe that the best careers are made from real-world experience. Our interns don't shadow. They actually work alongside real teams across software, product, and data. If you are excited about AI, IoT, data, and joining fast-growing startup, check out the link below this video to learn more about our summer internship program 2026 and how to apply. We love meeting driven students, so connect with us at internships@tractian.com, and we can't wait to meet you.